Welcome to Bridgewater College. We're here in the pollinator garden. This was installed some years ago as a student project, and our goal is to keep pollinators, our native insects, happy and well fed during the entire season. Honeybees and other pollinators will come out as early as March, even up here in the Shenandoah Valley. And so today, what we're going to add to the garden is some ground cover, Chrysogonum virginiatum. Its common name is green and gold. It's a very low growing plant. It is perennial. In some parts of Virginia, it would be evergreen, so it'll give you some year-round interest. And maybe what you can see is some very small yellow flowers already started here in late March and early April. So this is going to be a great native plant for a very early source of nectar. So when I get it out of the pot, I'm just checking the roots. And so now what I want to do is kind of make sure that as I'm getting it into the ground, that the crown of the plant is even to the height of the actual surrounding ground. And that's a little too low. So what I want to do is put some of the soil back in. Now that's starting to look a little better. And so now what I want to do is kind of bust up this sod and get it back in around the plant, firming gently as I go, and getting some of this good leaf litter as mulch around the plant to keep it moist. So today we added just one native plant, green and gold, to our pollinator garden. There are hundreds of other plants to choose from. Check out the Virginia Native Plant Society. They have many guides available for native plants in Virginia. And don't be scared if you see some of them like butterfly weed. Weed in the name is a poor choice that gardeners made long ago. No matter what you choose, if you're putting in more flowers that bloom for long periods of time throughout the year, you'll be helping your native insects.